Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how can remove background from image. Open your Photoshop. Now you need open which image you want to uh, remove background. This is jewelry image. This is very difficult. You can do remove background two way by clipping path and also another way. I can show you very easy way you how can you remove background from your image. First you unlock this image, double click and OK. Go to select and go to color range. Here we need our this necklace black. If you go there, then this color will come like this black. So we need only necklace, this one only black, other one white, like this white. Then click OK. Now select all image and background, select. Again go to select, click in bars. Now only our necklace selected. Again go to select, refine EDG. Click, then click drop down, select new layer, then click OK. Now our background remove. So very easy way and short time you can remove your background. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.